Boy, we do have a lot to talk about in the weather world. We have a little snow out there right now, and we've got more ice, snow, and rain on the way for midweek into late week. You can look at our normal high temperatures, and you can see on these colors here, those blue dots representing temperatures that have been below normal the past few days. As we've been saying, much of the U.S. has been below normal as this surge of Arctic air, this dip in the jet stream has happened, and we're going to be prepared for yet another blast of winter weather. What's pretty much been affecting Texas, areas to our west in the past few days, is moving to the northeast as we speak. So winter storm watches have been issued for all of our area starting tomorrow night and running through early Friday. That's when we're expecting this heavy wintry mix to occur. We're talking about slick roads, possible power outages, even some flooding as we have this saturated soil already as we head into late week. Now, let's not ignore tonight. We've still got some winter hazards out there tonight. Temperatures are cold. Most of us are in the teens. We're going to feel colder because of the wind, too, and there'll definitely be some slick areas. We've still got some snow flying around. I'm still seeing some flakes on our Beckley camera, and especially on those untreated back and side streets. We could have a coating to, at max, maybe even another inch or so at some really high elevation. So be careful tonight, as slick areas will definitely still be possible. Some black ice out there as well from anything that was melting the past couple of days and has refrozen. Wind chills, again, low tonight too. We're going to feel like we're in the single digits, if not around zero. There is a wind chill advisory actually in effect for western Greenbrier, northwest Pocahontas, where wind chills could be 10 to 15 below easy across that highest terrain overnight. So make sure the pets are safe. They have adequate shelter. Same with the livestock this evening. Now let's talk about what's happening in the future. Again, overnight, we're pretty quiet. I do think we'll start off the day with a little bit of sun tomorrow, but the clouds move back in pretty quickly by the afternoon. Highs in the 30s, generally quiet for most of the day Wednesday. Here we go into the afternoon or the evening, though. After sundown, we see some snow showers start to develop. We'll have some ice start to push in there too. That purple representing sleet and some freezing rain. Notice the green breaking in across our western-facing slope. So there will be a time that we see some plain rain cut in there. But especially along and east of I-77, we're worried about some significant snow and ice accumulation. We're going to get a little bit of a break tomorrow or Thursday in the middle of the day, but it picks back up Thursday night, and we could have additional ice and snow last through early Friday morning. So how much are we talking? It looks like the bulk of the snow and sleet accumulation is going to be north or along Highway 460. It looks like most of the stuff around 460 is going to be mainly sleet. And then the farther north you go, especially north of I-64, that's when you're going to have some heavy snow coming down with some ice mixing in. South of 460, it's going to be more of a mix with more freezing rain, especially cutting in there. But really all across our area, we have the chance to see significant freezing rain accumulation, especially along and east of I-77, around 1/4 of an inch or higher in a lot of places. This will make for more widespread power outages than we have seen recently in our area. And I'm also worried that we could have tree damage, flooding due to the saturated soil, and of course, definitely slick roads. That's going to be a major concern, but prepare for significant snow and ice. It looks like, though, that everything will wrap up at least in time for the weekend. Hey, stick with us. We'll be right back right after this break.